Okay, so the Vangear compact bed, we've now got a couple of models now for Pacific vans. So we've got the Buzz bed for the Volkswagen ID Buzz, the Caddy-5 maxi bed, and a short wheelbase bed, and then there's a slightly older model for the Volkswagen Caddy-4 short wheelbase. But the principle is similar. This is a slightly updated version. So what we've done here is we've made this version even lower. So we're calling this the 1.1 bed, and we're actually in a Peugeot partner here. So this is the short wheelbase Stellantis compact vans. So you've got the Peugeot partner, the Toyota Pro Ace City, and those kind of vans, and the Citroen Berlingo. And the prime object is to create headroom. So I'm pretty tall, but even in this Peugeot partner, there's a space above my head. So we've made the bed even lower, and I'll demonstrate pulling the bed out in a minute. We've actually got one-piece mattress as well. We've actually got three pieces here, but we can have one piece on the bottom and two pieces at the back. And we've also created a space here. I mean, this is an optional extra. These are just Euro trays, 600 by 400 Euro trays. Two of those, and they're pretty useful. You can load your stuff up in your home and then put it directly into the van. And little catch there, just to stop them moving around. There's also the possibility of fitting the tailgate pod, which is the top half of this, into there as well. But that won't include water bottles. You have to have external mineral water bottles to supply that. So we've got a couple of different length versions of this. So for instance, in the Volkswagen ID Buzz, there's a full length version, or the Caddy Maxi, there's a full length version. Obviously, this is a short wheelbase Peugeot partner, so this part is restricted by the seats here. But we've actually got, so when this is out, it's actually similar level to the seat there, and actually an extension headboard here which clips on there, and then you can just move the seat backwards a little bit to support that. So the principle of the bed is these sections that just pull out. So you unscrew these, and there's a little holder here for those. And then also on this newer version, we've actually cut a hole in here, under here. So it allows you to put sporting goods or whatever through, longer goods if you want to store them under the bed. So to pull the bed out, you just pull these sections out and just slot them in. And then you've got your arrangements of mattresses. We've got a slightly wider mattress as well. So, and then you would need a pillow at the end there just to extend the head section there.